The Professional CEO Hub, excelling in leadership for tomorrow's challenges with unique training, certification, and networking opportunities. This lesson is prepared by the Professional CEO Hub.
Welcome to the Professional CEO Certificate Program, presented by the Professional CEO Hub and Talent Fort Academy. The topics covered in Lesson 1 are as follows: leadership and visionary thinking, fostering a culture of innovation, balancing decision-making, rationality and intuition, creative thinking, a leadership imperative, innovative leadership and organizational success, strategic thinking in an evolving landscape, setting the course, real-world decision-making, strategic planning, execution and learning, navigating the future, enlightened leadership for CEOs, innovative strategies from tech titans, building the CEO's future forward toolkit, scenario synthesis, analyzing trends and forecasting futures, embracing ethical leadership, strategic mindset, cognitive biases in decision-making, advancing through adaptive governance, systems thinking, the interconnective approach, leadership and visionary thinking. Welcome to a journey of transformation that will empower your leadership and sharpen your visionary thinking. As we explore the pillars of successful leadership and the foresight required to lead in the modern business landscape, you will discover the insights and strategies necessary to elevate your position as a current or aspiring CEO. The profound connection between leadership and visionary thinking is the key to unlocking your full potential and guiding your organization toward a future of success and innovation. This detailed exploration is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the multifaceted nature of leadership, the essential qualities of visionary thinkers, and the synergy between the two. By the end of this journey, you will be well equipped with the knowledge and skills to inspire positive change and drive your organization forward with confidence and clarity. Understanding leadership. Guidance. Leadership transcends hierarchical structures to provide guidance that lays the foundation for the achievement of organizational milestones. Influence. Leaders possess the innate ability to influence others, shaping team dynamics towards positive collaboration and collective effort. Emotional intelligence. Emotionally intelligent leaders foster environments of understanding and mutual respect, which are critical for navigating the complexities of team management. Adaptability. Successful leaders adapt their approach to suit varying contexts, demonstrating agility and responsiveness to the ever-changing business landscape. Embracing visionary thinking. Conceptualization. Visionary leaders have the unique ability to conceptualize future opportunities and articulate paths that explore and tap potential. Inspiration. By communicating an inspiring picture of the future, visionaries galvanize their teams, aligning efforts toward a common and aspirational goal. Innovation. Innovation is at the heart of visionary thinking, with leaders driving progress by embracing change and looking beyond the constraints of the present. The synergy of leadership and visionary thinking. 1. Strategic alignment. Combining leadership and visionary thinking ensures that every decision contributes to the overarching strategic objectives of the organization. 2. Motivation. The fusion of leadership skills with a visionary approach instills a sense of purpose and motivation across the organization. 3. Adaptation. Visionary leaders are adept at anticipating changes and positioning their teams to adapt and thrive amid shifting business environments. Thinking for CEOs, an advanced approach. 1. Critical thinking. Sharpen your analytical skills to dissect complex scenarios and forge pathways through intricate business challenges. 2. Strategic foresight. Refine your ability to predict and prepare for future trends that will shape the competitive landscape of your industry. 3. Decision-making. Harness decisive and informed decision-making techniques that drive your company's growth and resilience. Mastering the components of critical thinking. 1. Analysis. Dive into comprehensive examinations of data, breaking down complex information to unveil actionable insights. 2. Interpretation. Deduce meaning from intricate patterns, interpreting rich data narratives to inform your leadership tactics. 3. Inference. Employ logical reasoning to draw insightful conclusions, anticipating the implications of industry trends and decisions. 4. Explanation. Translate dense information into clear, communicative messages that resonate with stakeholders and guide your team's vision. 5. Evaluation. Assess the credibility of sources and the quality of arguments, ensuring the reliability of the strategies you advocate. Evaluating leadership performance. Criteria. Adaptive leadership. Standards. Responsiveness to change. Methods of evaluation. 360-degree feedback. Areas for improvement. Anticipating market dynamics. Communication skills. Decision-making processes. Clarity and persuasiveness. Timely and effective. Employee engagement surveys. Board evaluations. Public speaking and presentation. Data-driven approaches. Team building. Fostering collaboration. Performance reviews. Cross-functional team dynamics. Cultivating problem-solving skills for CEOs. 1. Identify challenges. Spot the disparities between the current status and desired outcomes, clearly defining the problem's scope. 2. Generate solutions. Lead creative brainstorming to generate innovative solutions, cultivating an inclusive atmosphere for idea exchange. 3. Implement strategies. Choose and execute the most effective strategies, staying agile to adapt solutions based on feedback and results. 4. Reflect and refine. Reflect on the outcomes, distilling lessons learned to refine problem-solving approaches for future challenges. Empowering leadership and visionary thinking. Welcome to a comprehensive exploration designed to elevate the leadership and visionary thinking skills of current and aspiring CEOs. In this multifaceted journey, we will delve into techniques and mindsets crucial for steering organizations toward innovation, sustainability, and success. Our exploration is tailored to empower you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the complexities of leadership decisively and creatively. Fostering a culture of innovation. Leaders set the tone. Leadership plays a critical role in fostering an innovation-friendly environment by setting clear expectations and demonstrating support for creative endeavors. Leaders can inspire their teams to push the boundaries of conventional thinking. Infrastructure of creativity. Designing spaces that stimulate creativity, both physically and virtually, is vital. These innovation incubating environments invite open communication and collaboration, laying the groundwork for breakthroughs. Diversity is key. Embracing diversity brings a plethora of perspectives to the table. A workforce rich in varied backgrounds and experiences is a treasure trove of ideas, propelling innovation forward. Recognition and reward. Acknowledging and celebrating innovative achievements motivates teams to strive for excellence. Recognizing creativity embeds innovation into the cultural fabric of the organization. Balancing decision-making, rationality, and intuition. Rational decision-making. Rooted in logic and systematic analysis, the rational decision-making model is suited for scenarios demanding thorough deliberation, perfect for strategic, resource-heavy choices. Bounded rationality acknowledges limitations in information processing. Bounded rationality is used when time or information is scarce, standing as a pragmatic approach to decision-making. Intuitive decision-making. Based on experience and instinct, the intuitive model takes the helm in fast-paced or ambiguous scenarios where quick, confident decisions are paramount. Creative thinking, a leadership imperative. 1. Seek diverse experiences. To foster creativity, CEOs should immerse themselves in a variety of contexts. Travels, cultural experiences, and different business surroundings can spark innovative ideas. 2. Embrace curiosity. A culture where asking why and what if is encouraged is fertile ground for original thought. Proactively cultivating curiosity is a stepping stone to creative breakthroughs. 3. Design thinking. Adopting a user-centric approach to problem-solving, CEOs can use design thinking to navigate complex challenges and foster a creative climate within the organization. Innovative leadership and organizational success. 1. Visionary outlook. Leaders who inspire innovation share a compelling vision that aligns with business objectives, propelling the company forward with a clear sense of direction. 2. Mindset of experimentation. An innovation mindset is one that embraces experiments, accepts failure as a learning tool, and encourages a relentless pursuit of knowledge and novelty. 4. Culture of empowerment. Investing in a culture that values and empowers individual contributions can transform the organization into a dynamic hub of innovation and creativity. Strategic thinking in an evolving landscape. Environmental scanning. CEOs must be vigilant to external changes and employ environmental scanning to anticipate and adapt corporate strategies accordingly. Risk tolerance. Strategic leaders must balance risk and reward, undeterred by failure. Calculated risks invite innovation and foster long-term success. Envision and align. A strategic CEO visualizes potential futures and ensures alignment with the organization's values to steer through challenges and opportunities. Setting the course, real-world decision-making. 1. Short versus long-term. CEOs navigate the precarious balance, astutely weighing the trade-offs between immediate profit and sustainable development. 2. Adapting to crisis. In unforeseen crises, CEOs must be decisively flexible, pivoting strategies swiftly to lead their organizations through turbulent times. 3. Innovation dilemmas. Faced with the challenge of new technologies, CEOs must discern the path that leads to revolutionary ideas while maintaining organizational stability. Strategic planning, execution, and learning. Identify, analyze key trends and assess their potential impact on business strategy and execution plans. Evaluate, utilize models and frameworks to evaluate strategic options and their alignment with company goals. Implement, execute the chosen strategies with a focus on agility, clear communication, and stakeholder engagement. Adapt, continuously learn from outcomes and iterate on strategic approaches to optimize performance. Navigating the future, enlightened leadership for CEOs. Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of the innovative, strategic, and ethical dimensions of contemporary leadership. Designed for current and aspiring CEOs, this series delves into the core principles and transformative practices that shape the world's most successful leaders. This journey will equip you with the foresight, adaptability, and moral compass necessary to steer your organization towards a vibrant and sustainable future. In the subsequent sections, we will unfold the various strategies and insights that form the foundation of visionary leadership. From embracing technological advances to ethical decision-making, these sections will provide a roadmap for CEOs dedicated to excellence and impact in an ever-changing corporate landscape. Innovative strategies from tech titans. 1. Apple, unifying user experience. Apple's dedication to user-centric design and seamless integration of hardware and services gave birth to the holistic user experience of the iPhone. This breakthrough set new standards for the industry, demonstrating the power of transformative product innovation. 2. Amazon Prime paradigm shift. With Amazon Prime, Amazon reimagined customer loyalty, creating a disruptive business model that entwined convenience with a subscription-based ecosystem. This shift underscored the significance of customer obsession and long-term vision for revolutionary success. 3. Tesla, electrifying the highways. With the Tesla Model S introduction, Tesla ignited the electric vehicle revolution and accelerated the transition to sustainable transportation, challenging the traditional automotive paradigm through innovation and energy efficiency. Building the CEO's Future Forward Toolkit. Environmental scanning. CEOs must discern current trends and future challenges through meticulous analysis of economic, political, technological, and societal factors. Early identification of change drivers establishes a vanguard for strategic adaptation. Future thinking teams. Assembling diverse, cross-functional teams and engaging external experts fosters rich, scenario-based dialogues, broadening organizational vision and preparing for an array of future possibilities. Scenario synthesis. By developing narrative scenarios around critical uncertainties, leaders can envisage diverse futures, prioritize impactful possibilities, and construct a robust framework for strategic maneuvering. Analyzing trends and forecasting futures. 1. Environmental scanning. Establish continuous environmental scanning systems to uncover emerging trends and gain early indicators of market evolutions, shaping responsive and foresightful strategies. 2. Data-driven forecasting. Use advanced data analytics and predictive modeling to convert historical data and expert insights into refined future projections, offering a statistical foundation for long-term planning. 3. Consumer insight. Embed customer feedback mechanisms to monitor shifting preferences and expectations, leveraging market research to guide targeted and anticipatory product development. Embracing ethical leadership. Moral compass. At the heart of ethical decision-making lies a strong set of core values, guiding leaders to actions that resonate with integrity, responsibility, and the greater social good. Inclusive culture. Leaders must engender an organizational culture where ethical behavior is expected, rewarded, and embedded. This becomes the litmus test for every corporate decision and action. Accountability. Accountability is a pillar of ethical leadership. Owning mistakes and facing them transparently builds trust and cements a leader's and the organization's integrity and credibility. Strategic mindset. Cognitive biases in decision-making. Identified biases. Total types of cognitive biases recognized in decision-making processes that can skew analysis and outcomes. Awareness. Recognition of biases plays a critical role in rational decision-making and achieving effective results. Key strategies. Steps outlined by Goodman and Karras to apply systems thinking principles in solving problems holistically. Advancing through adaptive governance. Scanning. Interconnectivity of global developments and industry dynamics. Anticipatory regulation. Adaptation to emerging regulatory and policy shifts. Stakeholder integration. Engaging diverse stakeholders for alignment and informed strategy. Systems thinking, the interconnective approach. 1. Interconnectedness. Leaders must navigate the complex web of relationships within organizations, recognizing that each part affects the system as a whole. 2. Synthetic vision. Moving beyond mere analysis, systems thinking promotes a synthetic viewpoint that builds upon the interrelationships within the organization. 3. Leverage points. Identifying pivotal elements within an organization that can lead to significant change is key to driving transformation through systems thinking.